How am I able to fly through 100 friends' locations in less than 15 minutes? It's not magic, it's practice, strategy, and one awesome tool I'd like to share with you. When I'm strapped for time or powering through events, this little guy, my universal stylus pen, is a game changer. I use it on my iPad and iPhone to quickly tap through locations with incredible speed and precision. It's especially helpful during time-limited challenges, and sometimes I'll play with both hands, pen in one, finger in the other, to maximize speed. Some friends have often asked how I smoke through scenes so fast. Well, here's the secret. This 2-in-1 stylus works on all touch screens. Apple, Android, Microsoft, you name it. No Bluetooth, no charging. It's ready right out of the box and comes with 5 pens in different colors. Plus, replacement rubber and disc tips. Now, I've tried several stylus brands. Most need too much pressure or fall apart fast, but this one holds up and passes the Seeker's Notes test in my book. Plus, you get 5 pens for a great price. Now, there's a limited time Amazon special, and I've left a link in the description box below for this specific stylus, now offered at a deal. I couldn't believe it. Less than 10 USD for a package of 5 at the time of this recording. It's an easy way to upgrade your gameplay experience and get more done in less time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Seeker's Notes tips and strategies. Like and subscribe for more, and enjoy your games.